How much is the earnings of Statue of Unity? Where does it stand compared to the costs involved in making it? And a lot of Deshbhakts, NRI patriots and the so-called experts exclaimed that it would take around 120 years for the Statue of Unity to break even in terms of monetary benefit for the country, considering its cost of 3,000 crores. So let's examine what is the footfall of the Statue of Unity and what are the official figures released in terms of monetary analysis of the project. So as per official data, over 50 lakh people visited the Statue of Unity in 2023, with the highest recorded footfall of around 80,000 tourists on 24th of December 2023. The footfall in the last 5 years
combined has been 1.75 crores, which has generated revenue worth over rupees 400 crores. So around 13% of the project cost have been recovered in 5 years, with new streams of revenue like
water sport, river rafting also chipping in. Do let us know in the comments as per your estimates when will it be profitable.